How to build your business with strong affiliate marketing techniques. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to generate more sales as a business, and becoming an affiliate marketer can be a fantastic strategy to make more money. Regardless of where you are in the world of affiliate marketing, this video will provide useful advice that will bring you more success. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, hone in on a niche market and provide your visitors with valuable information that will increase their confidence in you. Recommending quality affiliate products that your visitors are interested in will earn you money as well as increase your visitors' trust in you. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, utilize time management software to record your different tasks. This will allow you to evaluate the amount of time that you spend on all of the different tasks you do, and eliminate potential bottlenecks. It can be surprising to learn how much time you waste on simple things like checking your email. You should never pay to join an affiliate network. A network is an affiliate marketing group that can link you to many different partners who want to advertise on your website. A good network can enhance the effectiveness of your affiliate program and diversify the products and services you can offer. A network that demands upfront membership fees, though, is never a good network. Beginning your affiliate marketing career with pay-per-click, PPC, programs is a wise move. By investing only in keyword bidding at PPC search engines and selecting your partner merchants carefully, you can build up a modest income without laying out much upfront investment. Then you can use PPC profits to pay for setting up a website. To increase profit, try to be as unique as possible when you are writing the text of your website. The more individualized you are, the better chance that you have to stand out from the pack. This will result in an increase in sales and more credibility for your organization. Affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best ways to make more money. This applies both to businesses and individuals. As this video has shown, affiliate marketing is also not difficult, it only requires having the correct knowledge. Apply the advice you have read and you will quickly increase your success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.